I do online plant shopping a lot, but I love to visit local nurseries. And I actually wanted to get touch me not plant. So that was the main reason for me that I will be visiting local nurseries. And I saw so many foliage plants. They look pretty good because it's rainy season. They are very bushy, lush green, and yeah, I had this umbrella plant, non-variegated, 2 years back, but I lost so many plants because of heat. Like temperature reached 50 degrees in North India, and that was brutal. But my eyes caught that red Dracaena plant, which I have been passing through this plant so many times. So I picked this Portulaca because I loved this color. And yeah, Dracaena was not on my list, but I somehow was attracted to it because of its red color popping out in just green. Also, I got a variegated umbrella or Schefflera plant fourth time because after repotting somehow they just die. So yeah, I picked few which I will be showing in this video. There were so many Calathea varieties, but they do not last long in 48 degrees with just 7% humidity. But I picked few, and I hope you will like them too. Oh, it's my birthday tomorrow. I have a plant haul to share. I visited local nursery. I'm so excited. Actually, it's late. Okay, it's late. It's 10:20 now. We have Phoenix right over here because he thinks I am cooking. I'm in my kitchen. That's the best light I can get. Even though there's traffic at night, but I can't control it anymore. I'll straight go to the plants. The first set of plants, I absolutely love them. And if you have been following me on Instagram or YouTube channel, you know what I love. I love lithops. I just unboxed these. Oh my god, how chunky are these? How big are these? Like, that's what I was doing. I was unboxing it, and I have to reply to seller that these I got in absolute perfect condition because I just don't want to report these right now. I have lot of tasks to do, and I'm like, I need my own pace. I need to report these very slowly. I hope the camera is picking my voice because I don't shoot a lot on this Canon camera. So this set of lithops I bought online. There are many sellers. I won't be mentioning prices. You can buy from any seller, just Google search. It's actually a birthday plant haul, and I did not buy pricey plants this time because the ones that I bought, like the Anthurium clarinervium and Frydek, both did not make through this summer. I will recommend you to get grow lights or cabinet for them, specifically if you are living in North India, where there's a lot of fluctuation in humidity, there's a lot of fluctuation in temperature. Okay, so the next plant I bought, look how beautiful. Actually, I thought to buy just floral plants because I hardly have. I have just, I think, 2-3 floral plants, just including one pinwheel which I hard pruned it yesterday. So like, I have no floral plants as of now, but I have this very beautiful light pink Exora. Look how tiny it is, and it's blooming. Like, that's the magic of nurseries. It's so tiny and it's blooming. I hope it survives because these plants are potted in clay hard soil, which I absolutely hate because whenever I remove the soil, the root gets damaged and plant dies. So this is pink Exora. There were white flowers Exora plant and red. Let's get baby pink color, which looks, oh my god, so cute and so adorable. Oh my god. So 2 years back I had bigger Exora. So when I planted it, it stopped flowering after I bought from nursery, and then I changed the soil because I thought maybe my soil is not that good, and then it died. So yeah, then I bought variegated umbrella plant, Schefflera. Oh my god, like after 8 p.m, whenever I have, like, since I have started doing workout, my brain just shuts down. And anyways, I just came back from outside, so my battery level is so low. But this is a variegated plant. This is the fourth plant. Again, it's in clay pot, it's in clay soil. I have killed 4 plants, same, after repotting they just die. So I'll try my best, I'm not sure. And then I bought Portulaca. So it has closed-it flowers, it's pinkish white flowers. I will place a picture over here. This was very cheap, and I buy every winter time. It's not winter, it's actually rainy season. But yeah, I can't keep them alive for whole year. I have to buy it every winter season. But I saw them this time and I was like, let's pick them because it's a flowering plant and I love it. And this is the last plant I bought. I have passed, like, I have seen this plant. Can you guys see? This is the plant, and I have, like, I went through it so many times in the same nursery since like 2-3 years, and I was like, I was not getting attracted to this plant. But you know, your taste and your preferences changes with time. So like, I was like, this is a super cool plant. Look at the pink shade. This is Dracaena. I think this is tricolor Dracaena. I'm not sure. I have no idea about Dracaena. I have watered one Dracaena of my parents in my parents' house. That was of maroon color, like that looked like Dracaena. I think that was Dracaena. That was like plain maroon color. But this plant was standing out, and you can style it. You don't have to buy that fake, what those things are called, which people put in their pots and vases or vases. What's that called? The thing that grows in field outside, like farmers and people grow, but it's sold at a very high price. Something that's called. So instead of that dead thing, you can grow a very beautiful Dracaena. Look at that pink color, dude. Pink reddish. It has stripes, green, pink. Oh my god, it's super cool. You can style it. I need some pots which I will be buying in winter. So that was all the plants I bought. These were all the plants that I bought for my birthday. I'm so excited for lithops. You need to get lithops, okay? If you are a plant beginner, it doesn't matter because you will be killing a lot of lithops in the beginning. I have killed so many. I don't even count plants, especially lithops. But I have this toxic love kind of situationship with lithops. Like, I love them so much that even if I will kill them, it doesn't bother much. But I need to have lithops in my house. Okay, so that was all. I will get freshen up and I will sleep. I will post updates in full video format, and if you're interested for plant videos and shorts, Don't forget to subscribe this channel. I will meet you next time. Till then, enjoy. Peace. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new.